Let's go see what the front looks like. Damn, that's flooded. Is the light on? Yeah. Come on, puppies, you can come out here. You want to come out? It's okay on the fort. Come on, Debbie. You scared it. Bunny. Are you scared? Come on, Seb. It's alright, Max. Aw, Dad's scared. Spirit, you want to go back in, buddy? Spirit. Are you scared? Hi, baby. It's alright. It's just rain. Damn. Y'all probably can't see any of this either. That's some hail from... Yeah. I had to keep backing up.
That smokes.
Couple.
Where at?
On the dryer.
Woo!
I know, that hail is huge. Oh, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. That hail's blowing in on the torch.
Damn, dude. You better check the weather, Hot.
I just checked it. Alright, one more time. Maybe you can see how bad it is with this light on. Spirit, you stay there. No, you really can't. Oh, shit, there goes the door. Come on. Oh, get it to shut. Damn, that wind is fierce.
Here. You recording me while I'm picking my nose?
Whatever. Don't do it when I got the camera on. I'm not awake. This is how I cope when I'm up 24 hours and I get 3.5 hours constantly. Just hit don't change channels. It's live. You can go from this one to 3.
Most of the Cape Land network, since the severe weather's moved out of the Channel 13 area, we've been leaving you alone on Channel 13 KUPK.
Tornado warnings. Gosh, there were 8 of them on there earlier. Tornado.
Decatur County and Sheridan County to line 15. Also a tornado warning for Greene County until 8:45. And severe thunderstorm warning for McPherson, Sedgwick, all the way down to Sunbury County and southern Saline County. That area of thunderstorms has produced some wind gusts estimated between 80 and 90 miles an hour, and a lot of wind damage reported around Hutch with that thunderstorm. So keep it.
They're obviously not bothered by the weather.
All right, so here we are continuing on Channel 10 where we have the tornado warnings. We'll get this severe thunderstorm warnings through Metro Wichita. Once we get the tornado warnings canceled, we're going to start scaling back the weather coverage at that time. We got a report from the Wingnuts game of some ping pong ball-sized hail. So
yeah, that hail that went just now on the front porch was not no dime-sized hail.
They called me earlier tonight. I told them they could have severe weather, so hopefully they got everybody into shelter at the Wingnuts game. KTV's the official weather provider for the Wichita Wingnuts. All right, so we're going to continue on here at page 5-3 again. The damaging wind threat now is near the Marion County, Dickinson County line, and northwestern parts of Butler County. This right in here, as this continues out to the northeast.
That weather make you guys look crazy, like playing?
That's going to be the best threat to damaging wind gusts. What's moving through the city of Wichita?
Money, what are you eating?
Money, what you got, Money?
She's eating something.
Money, what you got?
Damaging wind reports. We have had reports
Sevy,
of gusty winds.
what's going on out there?
With that line of thunderstorms as it's
What's going on out there, baby?
Wichita and over towards north of Belle Plaine. I still think the larger field is
What?
going to be across Thunder County. It's going to move near Udall and Howard County to get into southern Butler.
A mass tech?
That's why the severe thunderstorm warnings have
Yeah.
already been posted in Butler County as this next thunderstorm moves on in. Other severe thunderstorm warning, when we switch over and back to the Hanover. Severe thunderstorm warning for Harper County and Kingman County. Based on this cell,
I don't
Harper
remember off the
and
top of
to
my
the
head
north
how
of
to
the
do it
county
though.
line,
I'd have to
getting
sit
some
and look at
indication
it. Can
of
you
larger
open
than
that
quarter
spray
size hail.
starch
This
for
is
me?
kind of rolling on a similar
I
track
mean,
as the
scotch,
thunderstorm that
whatever.
just rolled through Wichita
Stain.
did. So,
Do what,
we already
babe?
had
Can you open
storm
that
number one
stain
roll through
spray?
Wichita. Storm number 2, which is north of Harper, moving up into Kingman County. Looks like it could have some quarter-size hail. That could
Alright.
be round number 2, which is going to move in back
Tell
behind
your
that.
mother
There
you
is a
love her.
severe
I'm
thunderstorm
shutting this
warning
down.
for
Love
that
you, Ma.
And let's take you out to Edwards County
Turn that
and
light out.
into